What exactly does the T and Z mean in timestamp? I have this timestamp value being returned by a web service 2014-09-12T19 column 30 for column 29Z. I know that it means time zone, but what exactly does it mean? And I am trying to mock this web service, so is there a way to generate this timestamp using strftime in Python? Sorry if this is painfully obvious, but Google was not very helpful and neither was the strftime reference page. I am currently using this.
The T doesn't really stand for anything. It is just the separator that the ISO 8601 combined datetime format requires. You can read it as an abbreviation for time. The Z stands for the zero time zone, as it is offset by 0 from the Coordinated Universal Time, UTC. Both characters are just static letters in the format, which is why they are not documented by the datetime.strftime method. You could have used Q or M or Monty Python and the method would have returned them unchanged as well. The method only looks for patterns starting with % to replace those with information from the datetime object.
Unfortunate.